Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Chelsea for those of you who are new. And today I decided to do another burgundy look. I was just feeling doing a smoky eye in this color, so this is what I came up with. If you guys want to see how I created it, please keep watching. Alright, so for today's shadow, I'm going to be going in with ColourPop's Whatever palette. And I'm going to start by going in with Copycat and just setting my entire lid with that. I'm going to pick it up on my Morphe S27 big fluffy brush. Make sure your lid has no creases. And then just go in. This is an orangish shadow, but I'm going to be going all over my lid with maroons, so I don't have to worry too much about the color. And I'm just going to blend this color up as well. Now, because I'm doing a dark eye, some people would want to do their eyes before their face, but I always hate the way my under eye turns out when I do that, so I'm just going to deal with the fallout. Hopefully there is none. Alright, now that my lid is set, I'm going to be going in with Maybe Later, and again, placing that all over my lid using another fluffy brush, and this is my Morphe M504 brush. And I'm just going to try and blend this out in a triangle at the side of my eye here. I do this by kind of sweeping it under my eye and then from the crease out. You can go ahead and use that Copycat brush and just blend out that line if you create one. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M505 brush and picking up Bad Guy. And again, all over the lid. And by placing all these colors over the lid, it just makes it easier to blend them up and into the last color we just used. I'm gonna also bring this color under my lid lightly. Then going in with the last two brushes. And then picking up my Morphe M503 and darkening this up just a little more with Mrs. Brightside. Now going in with Huda Beauty's Life Liner, I'm just going to line my water lines. And then using my finger and going over the middle of my lid using TTYN. And blending that out. Making sure it only really shines in the middle of your eye. And then just drawing a little line for the lashes to sit on. I'm going to go in with my JOAH. I don't know if this is JOAH or JOAH, J-O-A-H. I'm So Fly Liner, Felt Tip Liquid Eyeliner in black. So I'm just going to draw a thin line right next to my lashes. And then going with some lashes, I'm going to be going in with Karity lashes, and this is in the style Sin. And then for mascara, going in with my Urban Decay's Perversion mascara. Top and bottom, like always. And now for highlight, I'm going to be going in with MAC's Disney Aladdin collection, and this is Always One Jump Ahead. the nose. Cupid's bow. And then going in on my inner corner and brow bone, I'm actually going to go back into the palette and go in with Tardy. And then lastly for lips, I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's Power Bullet in Wedding Day. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Also, make sure to click that bell icon if you want to get notifications for when I post future videos. Hopefully you guys want to recreate this look. If you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Chelseasmakeup. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.